Aja Coles, Coles & Carter Real Estate. Are you looking for a set and forget investment in one of the best pockets of the city? Look no further. .5% rental yields within walking distance to cafes, shops, the university and the waterfront. If this sounds like something you might be interested in, reach out to me, Aja Coles, at Coles & Carter Real Estate.